Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very excited to have Gaurav with me, one of our online students from Canberra. A perfect 90. Everything on his scorecard is 90. Speaking, listening, reading, writing, and overall score is 90 as well. Congratulations, Gaurav. Very well done.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Really
Um,
nice to see you. And it all happened because of your help and your team. So
Thank you.
really glad about that.
Thank you for that, Gaurav. Gaurav, I remember I got a text from you 3 days before your next test that yes, you've got 19 speaking, but you're missing by a few points in reading, listening, and writing. You were not really sure why you're missing out. And you told me you just have 2 days, what you should be doing. You have taken sessions for 2 days, and the result is 90 in all the modules. What do you think, Gaurav, was different this time as compared to your previous attempts, which helped you to get this score?
So there were many things which I think played a role to get me 90 each. First
Hmm.
of all, I was practicing myself. I never had any professional coaching or teaching.
Hmm.
So I was struggling myself. I was using your free portal
Hmm.
and I was doing good at and the exam I just gave on 15th of June. I was quite prepared for that. I
Hmm.
gave my best shot, got 8 in 3 modules, but writing I still lacked.
Yeah.
But when I contacted you and you asked me to attend those 2 sessions,
Yeah.
so that gave me some reality check where I was lacking and what wrong I was doing in the whole process.
Correct.
And Mehak ma'am is like, she's really professional and she knows where a person is lacking. She can find that nerve that is actually that needs to be healed. So it was
Correct.
really good.
Hmm. Now, see, that is one of the major problems. What happens? A lot of students they go sit for the test, they don't get the score, they go and do the same thing again. The problem is if you go and do the same thing again, you're going to get the same results. It's very important that you first of all rectify your mistakes. You know what you're missing out on, and then only you go for the exam. Because if you're going to do the same thing, you are going to get the same score. Gaurav, how important are mock tests and how important is it to practice on the portal?
So first of all, the portal that you have designed, it is very user friendly. It is very similar to the exam which we give in real, and it is very easy to use. You have like thousands of practice questions, so we practice on that, and then we have like different slots like medium, sorry, difficult or easy, and things like these. So they do help a lot. But mock test is the one thing that is like highly important for everyone,
Mhm.
because if you don't give or don't appear in mock tests, you don't really know what exam environment like feels like. And
Correct.
also you need to have a certain guidance on your mistakes.
Mhm.
And sometimes you're not also making mistake, you're just following the wrong track
Correct.
altogether. I remember on the 20th when I gave my this exam,
Mhm.
so on the same day I had my class, and that day only Mahak ma'am told me to change the template that I was following for summarize
Oh,
spoken text.
correct.
And on that day only I got two summarized spoken text. So that did play a big role in my writing as well.
Correct.
So mock tests are really important, and they really help you a lot to improve.
That's right. Because mock test will give you a reality check. When you are just practicing, you think you're doing everything right, but you are missing somewhere. That is where, when you take the mock test, you go through the whole process. You tend to make a lot of mistakes, similar to what you do in the actual test. And once you know you have got a mistake in the mock test, you rectify it. You don't repeat the same mistake in the exam. And that is what I believe helps you to get your desired score.
Yeah, it does, because when you're making mistakes in mock test and you get feedback on that, so that definitely leaves an imprint on your mind that when you sit in the real exam, you definitely do not want to repeat those mistakes.
That's
And it does work that way. And yeah.
That's right. Gaurav, any final advice? You have cleared your PT 90th, you have cleared your NATI as well. In the very
Yes,
first
sir.
attempt. Being an online student sometimes sounds difficult, right? It sounds difficult that will I be able to clear PT and NATI studying online, but you have done it. Any advice, any tips for students who are planning to or who are already studying online? Any advice for them, please?
Sir, see, in Australia, most of the students they are stuck in jobs and other schedules, like
Right.
other commitments. So online teaching is not what we think. It is as equal to going to classes and practice with real tutors and real students,
Mhm,
and you can manage, or you can customize your time in that way.
mhm,
And other than that, I would advise students not to just work, like keep working themselves. Do
mhm,
ask for professional help. And when you have opportunities like these, you have LA team and experienced teachers and tutors like these, you definitely go there. You will save a lot of amount of time, energy, and money as well. I
mhm.
cleared both my exams in less amount of money than it costs to appear one time in PT.
Yes, sir.
So you save a lot in that sense.
That's 100% correct. See, guys, remember this thing. If Gaurav has cleared his PT and NATI test and PT with a perfect 90, what I believe is, he was the one who was looking for feedback. If you have done anything, if you're studying online, you need to ask for feedback. And once you get the feedback, you should carefully analyze your mistakes and see why you made those mistakes, and don't repeat the same in the next mock test, and then go for the test, and you can easily do it. If Gaurav has done it, if I have done it, you can do it as well. But you need to work hard and smart in the right direction under the right guidance, and success will be yours. Congratulations once again, and all the very best, Gaurav.
Thank you very much, sir. And I wish all the luck to all the future students as well.
Thank you. Thank you. Really appreciate that, Gaurav. Guys, that's it from this video. I'll see you very soon. Make sure you work hard plus work smart in the right direction under the right guidance, and success will be yours. Varun from Language Academy. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.